Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Improve English with Puri. So, in today's video, we will learn some new sentences how to express your feeling for love. So, whenever you fall for someone or you feel love, so you can use these new sentences to impress or express your feelings. Let's get started. When you fall in love with someone and you deeply love them, then you can use this new phrase and can tell them that how much you love them. So very first sentence is, I would love to spend time with you. I would love to spend time with you means आप किसी के साथ बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा समय बिताना चाहते हैं या फिर बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं, देन यू कैन से और express your feeling by saying this, I would love to spend more time with you. Means this is the time, it's not very sufficient, that I need more time to spend with you. The next is, you are the man or woman of my dream. You are the man or woman of my dream means you are the first one that I have dreamt a lot. So finally I got you. You can say the next sentence is, would you like to go out with me? When you ask someone to go out with for lunch, dinner or whatever you want to have, then you can ask someone very politely, would you like to go out with me? Means they like you somewhere. The next sentence is, I have totally fallen for you. I have totally fallen for you means I love you so much. After so many dates, after so many outgoings and movies and all of stuff, when you ask someone, do you want to go study? Do you want to go study means do you want to continue this relationship? Means if you are very happy, satisfying with me, then we can further take this relationship. So you can ask by this, do you like to go study? The next is, I love you from bottom of my heart means I love you so much. This is the and some complete phrase that I love you from bottom of my heart. I don't want to live without you means when you fall in love with someone and think about any other person, then you can say, you are the best thing that's ever happened to me means you are the very beautiful thing since I have started my life. You are the very most beautiful thing that ever happened to me. This is the very beautiful phrase. I personally love this. This is, I love you from bottom of my heart. I love you from bottom of my heart. Means deeply love someone, then you can say this phrase, I love you from bottom of my heart. Next is, I don't want to live without you. I don't want to live without you means when you think someone to get married or express your feeling by saying this, I don't want to live without you means they are very serious in relationship and they want to marry you. The next word is, I fall in love with you at a first sight. This is the very crucial or very beautiful moment when you fall in love at a first sight. Then you want to express someone that you love them from the very beginning. You can use this phrase, I love fall in love with you at a first sight. The next is, do you want to go study? When you have so many dates and outing, after that you can ask this question to get a further relationship. So you can ask this, do you want to go study means do you want to say that we are girlfriend boyfriend or we are lovebirds. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.